If you use a RaySearch product like RayStation, RayPlan or RayCare, we really encourage you to also sign up for a RaySearch Community account. With a community account, you will have access to valuable online resources and support to help you get the most of your RaySearch products. All the activities and resources are available from your homepage. You can browse and join RaySearch product user groups. These groups focus on a topic or a specific geographic region. To initiate a new conversation, simply post a message. You can also contribute to an ongoing discussion by replying in the thread. If you want to be notified by email about conversations taking place in a particular group, consider joining with this button. RaySearch support staff also contribute to the discussions. In the RaySearch video section, RaySearch support staff publish videos that cover various topics in the form of 5 to 10 minute tutorials or longer, more in-depth recorded webinars. We also systematically publish a video to present innovations in our latest software releases. If you run into difficulties with your RaySearch product, or if you have suggestions for improvement, your community account also lets you log a support case. Fill in this form with as much information and details as possible, as this will help with resolution. If you are proposing an enhancement, a detailed description will help us better understand your needs, give us context, use cases and data samples when applicable. For attachments, such as a crash log, screenshots or anonymized patient data, use the Add Attachment button at the bottom of the page. Note that there is a size limit for attachments. For large files, such as anonymized backup files, let us know in the case description field and we will send you instructions on how to upload the file safely. Remember that any data you send to us must be anonymized first. With your case submitted, a support specialist will quickly be designated to help you. You will also receive a confirmation email that you can reply to communicate with us. From this page, you can view the details of your case, read messages from customer support, and reply to them. You can also attach more files if necessary. Don't forget to follow your case to receive notifications when a message is posted. To keep track of your current and closed cases, click on the corresponding tab in the feed view. The My Feed tab will display the latest messages and activities in the community. The bell symbol in the top right corner will display a number in red if you have unread notifications, for example, a reply to your support query. The Ray Topics section gives you access to a database of articles on frequently asked questions. The list is regularly enriched by support staff, and you can rate the articles to let us know what helps and what can be improved. At the top right corner, a link will take you to your profile page where you can, for example, edit personal details and notification preferences. Additionally, the community homepage has links to all the field safety notices for RaySearch products and the classroom training schedule. Joining the RaySearch community is simple, free, and gives you access to a wealth of resources. Don't wait, sign up.